So we need to define, first of all, nouns, and just remember that your noun is going to be the name of a person, place, or thing. And it is important because your articles are always going to precede your noun, and this is true for English and Spanish. In both languages, English and Spanish, we're going to find that there are some common denominators, okay? So in regards to your articles, you're going to have definite articles and you're going to have indefinite articles. Now, your indefinite articles. In English, your indefinite articles are a and also an. Examples of these would be una casa. The noun ends in a, so you use the indefinite article with the feminine form, of course, in singular. The masculine would be un taco. It ends in o, so we use the masculine form of the indefinite article. Okay, now it's your turn. Copy these 4 examples and write in a line. And on that line, write down the indefinite article that you think should go with the noun. Okay, so your answers hopefully were un for saludo, un saludo. Una for pizza, ends in an A. Un for un gato, and una for despedida. Okay, so now in Spanish you have plural indefinite articles, and they are also going to be gender related. So you have unos for nouns that end in os, that would be masculine plural, and unas for nouns that end in as, which would be feminine plural. Some examples of indefinite articles in the plural form would be unas casas, unos tacos, unas mesas, and so on. So remember, you have to be matching the corresponding endings. Okay, guys, so these are some mixed exercises. Please copy them and write your line for the blank and then fill it in with the corresponding indefinite article. Remember, you are checking on the ending of each one of the nouns that are given to you. Go ahead. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully you have all the answers right. For number 1, it should be unas limonadas. Number 2, it should be unos muchachos. Number 3, unos gatos. Number 4, unas mesas. And number 5, unos pollos. Okay guys, so this concludes our video for the indefinite articles. This is el fin. And again, please see me if you have any questions. You can email me as well. Have a great day.